How to find the serial number on your LG washer. If you have an LG washer, there may be times when you need to locate its serial number, such as when registering the unit online, purchasing a replacement part, or arranging for service. We will tell you where to find that number. For front-load washers, open the washer door and look around the door opening for a silver sticker. The serial number is on the sticker. It begins with 3 digits followed by alphanumeric characters and is 12 characters long. For top-load washers, look on either the right or left side of the washer for the silver sticker. The serial number is on the sticker. It begins with 3 digits followed by alphanumeric characters and is 12 characters long. For older top-load washers, the serial number can be located on the back of the unit. Pull the washer away from the wall, or use a mirror or mobile phone camera to see it. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.